So Postman is the one of the most important thing in the RELTIO MDM setup. It is helpful for interaction any kind of operation via REST interacted with the MDM tenant. Okay. So how to do the setup? Okay. So first go to the Google, search it as a Postman. You'll get look like this. Click on the download app. If you go to the download, this page will become. So if you click on here, you have an option for 32-bit, 62-bit. You need to choose any one of these. If you do not have Windows, then the below option is there, Mac or Linux. You can download it. After download it, you just need to set up. Just click on run on the setup file and then go to next. It will be installed in your machine. Sometimes it asks for the sign in when you first open that. It is possible to skip also. If you require, you can just provide your email ID and password. It will sign in. There is no cost for that. Okay. After installation, if you go run and type in the Postman, you will get this type of icon. Click on it. It will be looks like a this particular page. Okay. So in this particular page, two option is there. One is collection. Collection means API, REST API, list of REST API, and collection runner. It is another part. Means when collection runner mostly used for the delete operation, and collection is used for the any kind of REST operation like get, post, put, delete, such kind of thing. One by one. It's not a one at a time huge, but in collection runner you can run multiple call at a time. So delete of let's say more than 1,000 number of entity you want to delete, then you can use that. I will show you. Okay, let's how to set up this. I already have set up. I will show you how to do that. So before that, you need to need two things. One is the Postman environment file. Another is the collection file. Postman it's when you register for any certification program, you get one student ID or email ID. If you have a corporate account, then you will be use that email ID. And second part is the collection of the REST API. How to interact with it. These two files is required. I will attach both of them. If you do not have any file, you need to create manually. So how to import these two files? So go to the Postman. There is an option import. Click on it. You just need to choose that particular file. You can select one. You can select multiple. I select. Just click on it and then open. So see both files coming. Just import it. So it will be show you because I already have. Do you want to replace it? I can say replace it. Okay. So it automatically replace that. Okay. No issue. Now this particular file actually come here. This is my old one. So these are the list of the tools. It's a 23 number of API setup already there. REST episode there. I will come later. And this is the environment. So I installed the 91 and other part already installed. So if you do not have environment, you need to create it setup. Okay, by clicking it here. Okay. Otherwise, you need to because we import here, so we can choose it. Okay, that's not an issue. We just choose it, so it will come. Okay, and now uh, after choosing all those things, first thing is the any kind of operation. First process is you need to authenticate. So before going to that, I will go to that how Postman setup will be done. There is a file also there. I will be attach the same file. So let's go to it. What we did. Did we miss anything? So it says as download. Uh, you need to access Postman, so you need to download it, or you can have a Google extension also possible, Chrome extension. But it's a better is download it. It will be more controllable. So I already saw that this is the one kind of done file of environment setup. This is the collection file of the REST API. Okay, so launch it. After launch, we saw that use import. Using import, we can import both file. That one is environment. See that no environment was there when we saw there is option is coming. That multiple environment is available. Then in the collection, see These are the information when you click on that particular environment variable or environment text file, you get all those information. And then you need to choose the particular environment to do any kind of operation. So training collection, you see the 23 number of REST API is there, and then I show you how to connect it and how to replace all this. So before going to that also, the first step is the authorization. So if I click on the authorization, see the URL is coming like that, some URL, then username, password, then it is coming. Okay. So if I click it, because I already selected that environment here, already selected the environment here. If I click it here, then if it is setup is perfect, then it will be give some token. So this is the token and this is the expiry time in a second. Okay, and the status is 200 means success. If it is more than any number beyond the 200, it means something wrong. Okay, so using that we are interacting, but there is a process of authentication and how to do that authentication. So in this picture it is explain you that when we this is, let's say this is the our postman, that client part. When we click on that particular authorization, it first goes to the auth server, and then it is back to the token and in the client, and then the using that API will be interacting. Means still now we are not interacting API server, still we are just authentication is there, and we have get the token. So this is the token we are getting. Using this token we will be use that. So by default, when we click it, we will use this token in the next operation. Let's say I want to get something from that L3 from that operation. Okay, from the RELTIO MDM server. So if you see that that authorization is the inherited from the parent, it mean is I am getting the whatever authorization I have put it here, that value is coming to that particular here. So authorization is here. So if we go to the this section, so I have a token. Using that token, I am going to call to API server or MDM server. Okay. So I am doing one non-inheritance API call. This is a one REST API get operation, and I am doing it for the getting L3 configuration, because we will need to work on the L3 configuration. If I click it, then it will definitely get some data, and it will be available in that. So see, this is the 200 status. So it is get the proper result. So it is a JSON file. So in the next operation, I will copy it and paste it somewhere, and I will do the operation. Okay.